Benny, the curious forest dog, wasn't looking for trouble, just a new scent. But someone was watching Slither, the sly snake with charm and wit. Two worlds met, and for a moment, they understood each other. They played, day after day. Benny was faster, but Slither was smarter. Together, they survive, teaching, learning, trusting. But hunger is a different kind of beast. One moment changed everything. He didn't want to, but he did. Some friendships end not with goodbye, but with a bite.
Loyalty fades when survival speaks louder.